Hey, welcome to Polish with Ray. I'm Rachel and today I'm going to be sharing with you my favorite nail care products. Before we get started, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up if you're excited to see what products I use to keep my nails healthy and strong, and if you're not already subscribed, I hope you'll consider it. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you the items that I use on my nails every week, every day to help keep them strong and prevent breaks. We're going to be looking at some of my favorite lotions, scrubs, cuticle balms and creams, and oils. A little bit of information on my nails. I'll pop up a picture on the screen of what they used to look like. I am a former nail biter. I bit my nails for many years and stopped around 4 or 5 years ago. And here's what my nails look like now. And that big change is mostly due to the focus and thought that I put into my nail care routine. They're not perfect. I do have an occasional break and I have some peeling, but overall my nails are pretty strong. I think they've gotten thicker as I've put more focus into my routine. And because of that, they're less prone to breaking and a little bit more flexible too. And I am a frequent hand washer. I am a brand new mom and I also am a teacher, so I'm around kids all day, which means lots of soap, lots of hand sanitizer. So the fact that my nails stay as strong as they are, especially with all the swatching that I've done, that's pretty great. I'm pretty happy with the strength of my nails. All right, let's take a look at some of my favorite products. So before we get into my favorite nail care products, I did want to tell you really quick what I have on my nails right now. It is just the most adorable spring skittle. So on my thumb, I'm wearing China Glaze Tangerine Heat. On my pointer finger is Cirque Colors Buttercup. Here is OPI, That's Hilarious. KB Shimmer, Harbor a Crush, and then Sinful Colors Tempest, and then all topped with the most adorable spring topper from Colores to Hero, which is unfortunately no longer available. It is called Hatch Me If You Can. It's supposed to look like a speckled egg. So yeah, loving this look. Don't want to take it off. It's just so precious. So we're going to break up our video into sections. We're starting off with my favorite lotions. So we're going to start off with one that should be pretty fairly accessible, hopefully easy to find. This one is from the brand Yes To. This is the Yes To Avocado Fragrance-Free Daily Hand Cream. I've been using this product for about 4 months now, maybe 5. I love fragranced products, but newborn skin is sensitive and I didn't want to risk giving my baby some kind of reaction, so I decided to stick with fragrance-free products there for a while, and so this was my go-to hand cream. I didn't have the highest hopes because it is a mainstream brand. Yes To products are sold all over the place. You can buy them on Amazon. This product specifically I got at Target. I think I've seen them at Ulta before, and they are a great brand, but when you're used to using amazing indie products, you kind of expect mainstream products, I think, to kind of disappoint a little bit. But taking a look at the ingredients when buying this product, I knew it had to be pretty good, and I'm happy to say I really enjoyed it and would definitely repurchase. This has become a favorite product of mine for sure, especially if you're looking for something fragrance-free. It's got really nourishing ingredients like shea butter, avocado oil, and I was really happy to see it also has hyaluronic acid. That's an ingredient that pulls moisture from surrounding areas, usually I think from the air, and actually helps moisturize your hands. It's a fabulous ingredient, but usually only one that I find in lotions available at places like Sephora, more bougie brands, I guess. So I was definitely excited to see such high quality ingredients from such an inexpensive brand, relatively inexpensive anyway. By the way, all the items that I'm sharing with you today that are still available for purchase, if I can find a link to them, if the maker's sites are open, I'll link them down below so you can shop. My next recommendation is a longtime favorite. This is from the brand House of Gloy, which is an indie lotion fragrance maker. This is their pumpkin butter. They have a variety of different lotions on the site, but their pumpkin butter is my absolute favorite. It's super rich and nourishing. I think I forgot to mention the Yes To Avocado Daily Hand Cream is kind of in the middle in terms of how thick and rich it is. But this one is pretty thick and rich and just luxurious. It's got some wonderful ingredients as well, including pumpkin, seed oil, that's where it gets its name, shea butter, and glycerin. Lots of other different kinds of wonderful oils too, and triglycerides as well. Unfortunately, on their site, I could not find an unscented option available. I'm guessing that that's because fragrance is kind of their thing. Like, they sell perfumes and stuff as well, which I've also used and really enjoy, but that's not what this video is about. And some of my favorite scents from this brand is this one, their pink marshmallow milk. And then I also really like the scent Splendiferous. I've bought that in the perfume and the body soap and the pumpkin butter before. It's really yummy. It smells like cake. And now on to some indie favorites that you've probably seen mentioned before if you're not new to my channel. This first one comes from the brand Heather's Hues, and it is their Wits Lotion, which stands for What Is This Sorcery? This one I also love because of its wonderful ingredients. You can definitely see a difference when you look at the ingredients between this and a mainstream product like Yes To Avocado. We see lots of nourishing oils in here. It's very moisturizing. This is another one that I think kind of falls in the middle in terms of how thick and nourishing it is. It's definitely rich, but it's light enough to be used in warmer, more humid months without making me feel sticky. It has ingredients like rice bran oil, avocado oil, jojoba oil, and glycerin. It does contain almond seed oil, so if you have a sensitivity to nuts, you may want to take note of that. This item's frequently sold in collaboration boxes like Polish Pickup and Hella Handmade Creations each month, but unfortunately it always sells out within minutes. So if you've been wanting to get your hands on it, but you've just not been fast enough to grab it there, they do sell it on the Heather's Hues website. Again, I'll link that down below, in a lot of different kinds of scents. She's got some wonderful options. She also offers this lotion in an unscented option if that's your preference. And then this next product I actually don't have with me right now, so I'm kind of inserting some footage from another video I've used before. I've gone through this product time and time again and just couldn't convince myself to grab another bottle when I have so many other lotions I need to go through. This product is from Unicorn Magic Skincare, and it's their Deluxe Coconut Milk Hand Cream. This is another one we sometimes see offered in Polish Pickup, but she does rotate which items from her shop she offers. This is one of my favorite products though from this maker. It's amazing. I mean, looking at the list of ingredients, they're very high quality. So many different nourishing, wonderful ingredients, including coconut milk, rice bran oil, jojoba oil, shea butter, but tons of other oils as well. I will say this product contains lanolin, so if you do have a sensitivity to that, take note. On their site, you have 3 options for how you want to receive this product. They offer a flip top tube. Y'all, I've tried saying that like 5 times. I can't do it. Flip top tube. There we go. That's how I usually purchase it. That's what's shown here. They also offer it in a jar and in a pump bottle. So love that we have so many options. They have some fantastic scents too. My favorites are Clean Fresh Cotton, Gummy Bears, and Pumpkin Pecan Waffles, but they do also offer an unscented option. I've tried that as well. You mostly just smell shea butter. I'm not done talking about this brand in this video, but I did want to also mention that their lip balms are outstanding, in case you're looking for one. All right, moving on to scrubs. This first one you've heard me probably talk about so many times on my channel because I've gone through many tubs. This is the KB Shimmer Sugar Scrub. This product is outstanding. It's a great value. I'll have the prices, as you see, I'm sure, listed on the video so you can see the cost breakdown, but it is a great price. Almost 10 ounces of product. It takes me about 2 months, sometimes 3 or 4, depending on how frequently I'm using it, to go through a tub of sugar scrub from them. So you cannot beat that price. I use it on my hands for part of my manicure routine. I'll be sharing that video later on. But I also love using it in the shower before I shave. It's just a great exfoliant. I've seen some people say that they use it on their face. I would not recommend that. I typically avoid any physical exfoliants on my face or any skin that is particularly thin and sensitive. It can create micro tears and early wrinkles, but I have heard people use it on their face before. It's also not a very comedogenic product. There are lots of oils in here that'll cause breakouts, and I am prone to that. A look at the ingredients list shows us that this product is packed with some amazing oils, including olive oil, castor seed oil, cocoa seed butter, and shea butter. And in terms of consistency, this product definitely is on the grittier, more aggressive side of sugar scrubs. The granules are pretty large, and so I find that I need to go in with a very easy, gentle hand when using this product so that I don't over exfoliate. This scent is fantastic. I actually purchased a couple tubs of this. It smells just every bit as amazing as you would imagine, but they do have some other wonderful scents available on their site right now. I've tried and loved the peach scent and the Tide Me Over scent. Both of those, like I said, are available on their site, but they also have a Barely There, which is an unscented option if that's your favorite thing. Also, I have received this product in PR, but I've purchased it as well. And that's true for most of these products. The Wits Lotion, the Unicorn Magic Coconut Cream. A lot of these products I got to try because I got them in PR and then loved them so much that they just became part of my regular rotation, and I started buying them for myself and then for other people too as gifts. And then my other favorite sugar scrub comes from Stalichroma, and this is their emulsified sugar scrub. This one's in the scent Gummy Worms. As you can see, this one's got some fantastic ingredients as well. Apricot kernel oil, shea butter, cocoa butter, and it does contain almond oil if you're sensitive to that. This is another one that we see from time to time in the Polish pickup shop, but in case you don't want to wait until it shows up there again, Pam, the maker, does have this available on her site. In regards to consistency, this scrub is a little bit finer than the KB Shimmer scrub. I find that it exfoliates a little bit slower and it's more on the gentle side. The maker, Pam, offers it in an unscented option, but my favorite scent that she offers on her site is Spa Day. Oh, it smells great. But this Gummy Worms one is amazing too. I would love to see this one make its way to the Stalichroma site. All right, now that we've talked about hand care, we're gonna get more into cuticle care, starting with one of my favorite cuticle balms. We're seeing this brand make a return. This is the Unicorn Magic Deluxe Vegan Cuticle Balm. I'll be honest with you, for a very long time, I did not use cuticle balms. I didn't like them. I thought they were very beeswax heavy and just felt like they left a coat of wax on your skin. They just didn't feel good to me. This is the first one I've tried that I've absolutely fallen in love with, and we will repurchase time and time again. We see some fantastic ingredients here: shea butter, soybean oil, sunflower seed oil, coconut oil. It's basically an oil-packed shea butter base. These are available on the Polish pickup site from time to time, but the maker does offer them in her Etsy shop, which again, I will link below. This one comes in an unscented option, but some of my favorite scents from this product are clean fresh cotton, gummy bears, and pumpkin pecan waffles. So yummy. And like I said before, sometimes balms can just feel a little bit waxy, but this one just feels like an oil. It really sinks into your skin well, and I feel like my nails and my cuticles just drink it up. It's wonderful. It really rubs in nicely to the cuticles as well. I don't feel like it leaves a super greasy residue or a really slick, oily finish, which I am a fan of. And the last few items we're going to be looking at today are oils. This first one is a product that you can see I've really enjoyed. It's completely gone, and I've gone through many of these droppers. This is the Bliss Kiss Oil. I'll pop a picture on the screen of what it's supposed to look like when you purchase it. It does have a label. One downside of this product is the label does come off, or mine have anyway, when you get oil outside of the package, which does happen when you close the bottle. But anyway, this product is wonderful. I was thinking it was going to be overpriced. It's on the expensive side, but From experience, it's worth every penny. It's another one I just haven't gotten around to repurchasing yet because I want to use up what I have first. It has really wonderful ingredients like jojoba wax ester, olive oil, squalene, vitamin A and E, and tea tree oil, which is antifungal. It comes in, I think 3 or 4 scents, but my favorite one that I've tried is crisp. The other scents, if I'm honest, I haven't been a fan of. The crisp scent kind of smells like fresh laundry a little bit, but it is offered in a fragrance-free option as well. You can purchase this on Amazon or on the Bliss Kiss site. An indie cuticle oil I really like is the Northern Star cuticle oil. You've maybe seen these roller balls and quads on the Polish Pickup site. They're offered there almost every month, and I buy them there almost every month. They're 4 milliliter mini roller balls, and each roller ball has a different scent. So if you love scented products like I do, you're going to want to try these because the scents are always exactly as described. I don't know how the maker does it, and you get a lot of variety. So I love that. I go through these pretty quickly if I'm really focused on using just this oil alone. I'll go through this roller ball in a couple weeks, maybe 3 weeks, usually around a month though. And then I get a new scent with the next roller ball because each one has a different fragrance. The ingredients list for this one is very simple. It's got jojoba oil, avocado oil, green tea oil, and then of course fragrance. No fragrance-free option for this one, but again, if you love fragrance products, I encourage you to give this a try. I will say the downside is this one does occasionally leak. That hasn't been my experience most of the time, but I have had one leak before, so worth mentioning. And then the final product I wanted to share with you today is a body oil, but I've used it for my hands and cuticles before. It comes from Bluebird lacquer, and it is their Zero Thirst body oil. Yeah, I've used this oil for many things. Cuticles, hands, body. I've used it in my hair before. It's just an all-around wonderful oil. You can see it contains jojoba oil, apricot oil, avocado oil, coconut oil. So nice simple ingredients list. On the Bluebird lacquer site, they always offer a few different scents each month, and they're kind of seasonal. I've purchased this product 4 or 5 times. Sometimes it comes in a glass bottle like seen here, not usually tinted. This was special, I think, for the Bluebird advent calendar, but usually comes in a clear bottle. Sometimes I've gotten it in glass, but sometimes it is plastic, so I wanted to note that. And it comes in a little dropper, so very easy application. So like I said, those are some of my favorite nail care products. Let me know down in the comments what your favorite nail care products. Do you have a go-to lotion, your favorite cuticle oil? What do you find yourself buying time and time again? I want some new recommendations. And I will leave everything that is currently available linked down in the description box so you can shop. Hopefully you enjoyed today's video. If you did, be sure to check out the playlist that I'll link up here in the cards. I'm doing a series where I share some of my favorite nail products, and I did a video recently on my favorite top coats and base coats. If you did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!